What's going on, everybody? I'm going to show you how to start your K5 if your battery fob is no longer working, maybe due to a battery being dead inside of the starter, the remote starter. So first thing, if you put your feet on the brakes and you try to start the vehicle, it's a key, no key detected, please start button with key. And as you can see right there, it's easy to start the button or your car with the key. All you have to do is take your K fob, the top of it, your key fob, the top of it, and push it close to the engine start button. So let's give that a try. So here's my key fob. It's not working. Probably need a new battery. So I'm going to push my foot on the brake pedal and I'm going to push the top of my key fob. Top of my key fob is going to go. Just push it towards your start engine button. And there you have it. The engine will start up. I hope this video was helpful. Please like, subscribe, and share. Talk to you soon.